Hello guys and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to wind your Seiko mechanical or automatic watch. Now if you're new to the channel and enjoy this type of content, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also check out our website vintageradar.com, link in the description below, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. So guys, on most mechanical watches you can actually wind the watch in this position. So most watches do not have a screw down crown, meaning you do not need to unscrew the crown in order to wind it. And that means that you can actually wind the watch within this zero position. Now, before you wind the watch, you need to set the time. And you do that by pulling the crown all the way. In this case, we have a Seiko Presage Automatic, which also has a date complication. This means that we need to pull the crown to the second position. So if I pull it only once, this is where I can actually change the date. And if I pull it for a second time, you can see that the seconds hand stopped because this movement has a hacking. And now I can set the time. Always make sure to rotate the watch hands in a clockwise direction. This way you do not risk breaking any parts in the movements, either on vintage or more modern mechanical watches. After you have set the time, push the crown all the way back in and you can wind the watch. Now many of you might ask how many times you should wind your watch. You can do this motion around 20 to 30 times for your watch to be fully winded. If you only have a mechanical movement, that means a manual wind. This means that you need to wind it every time before you wear it, so every 24-48 hours depending on the power reserve. If you have an automatic movement, you need to wind the watch, and you will have a rotor on the back of the watch that as you move will actually wind the watch. So if you wear your automatic watch daily, it will most likely run for a larger number of days, but at some point, in order to get that fully winded mechanism, you need to wind it manually. So that was the video, guys. You now know how to wind your Seiko mechanical or automatic movement. This tutorial will work for other watch brands as well. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you on the next one.